Nakuphumala namhlanje ababelethi babantwana abafunde eHoerskool eHanfield bese lebahlukene phakathi ngokombala wabo. Ababelethi babantwana abanzima bathi abantwana babo minyaka balila banjalo nje bakhahlunyezwa nazimphathimandla zesikolo kunye nabafundi abanye.
There's always been a racist at this school and kids have been complaining. Everybody has been complaining. We're not talking about this school only because we have other primary school with the same things are happening. Only because this had a video that went viral. That is why our parents saying they were sick and tired.
Abafundi baqinisekisile ukuthi sele kuminyaka babizwa ngegama elinoK begodu akhange ke ithathelwa amagadango nofana ubulungiso ofaneleko indaba yakhona.
I was one of the females that got punched in the face by a boy. When we reported it to school, they don't do anything. They just remove the boys from the sports, and me and Khulani were given detention.
Nanyana kunjalo ababelethi babantwana abamhlophe babhalile ukuphendula mayelana lendaba le. Nanyana kunjalo uma womntwana ofunda imatric lo uthi batsho yena bekangazi ngendaba yokunina ngokobutshaba begodu indaba le imalungana nabantwana abanganamthetho ekufuze bakhutshwe kulesi sikolo. Kodwana ayithindani nokunina ngokobutshaba. Omunye umbelethi uthi batsho wazibona indaba yokunina le yenzeka kanye begodu bekangazi ngezinye izehlakalo. Kodwana uyavuma ukuthi emvekeni embili ezidlulile kwezi bekunerawurawo esikolweni esimayelana nendaba le. Nanyana insebenzi zefundo zithi ubujamo bufuze bubuyele endimeni ejayelekileko kusasa nje kodwa usomkhandlu wezefundo eGauteng uPanyeza uSufi uqinisekisile ukuthi ukhona umraro wokunina ngokobutshaba esikolweni esi.
They might have oppressed our parents and succeeded. Yes. They will never oppress our children.
Kulindeleke ukuthi imphathimandla zefundo zibambe umhlangano nababelethi sasandambama.